Good morning. It's January 11th, Sunday morning. We're out taking Riley for a walk. He is my young male foster. He walks really well on a leash. Come on, Riley, get going. As you can see, he loves the snow. He loves outside. He's getting real good with this sitting. Riley, sit. Good boy. Good boy. Riley, see, I know my name. Look up. Good boy.